Dear student, good morning and just see the question 3.20, right? Just copy the question. This is based from the NCRT. Good morning, student. To solve this 3.20 of Rome, 1, question number 1, right? Given n resistor, each of resistor is R, how you combine them to get the maximum and minima effective resistance? And what is the ratio of the maximum and minima resistance? So, ये तो बहुत आसान है कि to get the what is the maxima and the minima, is it right? But to find the ratio, तो ये concept है, though it can be in the board examinations, right? So let me find there are n resistors, is it right? And resistors of R each, is it right? And to get the maximum, so I think it's very simple to give this answer of A. To get the maximum, this maximum resistance, so maximum resistance only will get when n are in what? N are connected in what? Series, is it right? Because you know well, n for, is it right, n times for the R, so therefore total resistance in series you will get it is what? NR, is it right? And number 2, to get the minimum resistance when, yes, NR in what? Parallel. तो parallel में हमको सबसे what? Less resistance मिलते हैं. So total resistance in parallel, let me find for suppose RT. So I think you will write it is 1 by R plus 1 by R plus up to what? N times. So I think it will be N by R. Is it right? But your target is RT, so you can say RT is equal to what? R by N. I think there is no problem at all. Is it right? तो देख सकते हो तुम n से divide करेंगे तो definitely it will be a less. Is it right? Therefore, the ratio of what? RT, which is in series. So let me write RTS and this is RTP, मतलब parallel, है ना? Parallel कर लेते हैं. Divided by what? RTP. You can do RTP by RTS also, no problem. RTS. So it is, I think, NR and this is R by N. So I think R will cancel and will go up. So I think it is N square बन जाता है. So ratio is become the N square. Is it clear? Yes. Yes, dear student, for this number B, A we have done, and the B is also in the same way, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा different ये है कि you are not getting the maximum minima, so you are doing something else also. जैसे 11 by 3 and 11 by 5 is your target, is it right? So whenever you have a 5 and this all targets, so always एक चीज मैं तुमको बता सकता हूँ कि about the denominator, keep it in the mind. This is a very basic question. इसको solve कैसे करेंगे? जब भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा, ये 3 दिया हुआ है ना, तो 3 देखो कैसे बनाना है. इसमें 3 है, there are 3, तो definitely 2 in series or 2 in parallel, 1 with the series, or 2 in series, 1 is parallel, ऐसा कुछ combination में. So if I am going to solve like this, the denominator part को अगर करना है तो देखो denominator part कैसे आता है? With the help of parallel only it comes. So how it comes? By additions. We know how we solve the parallel. Parallel solve करने का एक फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया था R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, मतलब ऊपर में मल्टीप्लीकेशन, नीचे में एडिशन. इन केसेस में देखो ये 3 कैसे बनता है, तो 2 plus 1 3 बन गया. और 5 कैसे बनेगा? 3 plus 2, इज इट राइट? 5 बनता है, तो 3 and 2, यानी कि 3 और 2 क्या है? पैरेलल में. तो 1 and 3 बन रहा है, तो ये दोनों पैरेलल में आ गया. इस कॉन्सेप्ट को ध्यान में रखना और देखना बहुत सारा चीज तुम्हारा सॉल्व हो जाएगा. इज इट राइट? So I think now it is in front of you, 2 parallel, 1 is series. Parallel का आंसर ये है. इसके बाद ये आंसर कर दिया 11 by 3 और ये 11 by 5. Is it right? Now let me do something different. थोड़ा सा different कर लेते हैं इसमें. जैसे तुमने देखा 1 और 3 था तो इसमें, is it right, denominator part. तो कुछ ऐसे अलग सा क्वेश्चन से ले लेते हैं. Is it right? To get what? Suppose 3 2 5 तो हो गया है ना. अब ये 1 और 3 4 कर लेते हैं, यानी कि something divided by 4. तो 4 आना है तो डेफिनेटली ये दोनों क्या हो जाएगा? पैरेलल में. सो लेट मी ड्रॉ, दिस इज 1 ohm एंड दिस इज व्हाट? 3 ohm. ये दोनों पैरेलल हो गया और 2 को मैंने सीरीज में रखा. तो डेफिनेटली दिस इज व्हाट? इफ आई डू दिस, r डैश इज इक्वल टू 1 into 3 by 3 plus 1 4, है ना. इट इज इक्वल टू 3 by 4. So therefore our total कैसे निकालेंगे? Let me do here. This total, is it visible or not? Yes, I think है ना. Total how we get this? This is r dash plus it is कौन सा बचा हुआ 2. So I think 3 by 4 plus 2. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 4. Okay, चलो बढ़िया है फिर तो. So you know that if the denominator is something 4, तो एक assumption तो तुम्हारा ये बनेगा, उससे तुम पहले try करोगे. Otherwise there are so many cases will be found. Is it right? Here in all cases we do two parallel, but ऐसे भी हो सकता है two series and then parallel. Is it right? If it is so, अगर कुछ ऐसा हो जाए तो कैसा होगा तुम्हारा equations, है ना? तो I think suppose let me case of this two, है ना? तो 1 and 2 series and 3 is in what? Parallel with this. 3 parallel, 1 and 2 is this. Is it clear? तो 1 and 2 is 3 and नीचे में 3. They are now parallel. Is it right? So I think 3 parallel का आंसर तो 3 होता है because you know 3 into 3 by 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 and sorry, my mistake, 3 and 3. 3 into 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So it's 3 by 2, that means what? 1.5. 1.5 बनता है इसमें. खैर इसमें तो तुम्हारा परफेक्ट आंसर आ जाता है इसमें. So is it right? तो आगे वाला का ध्यान रखना है इसमें. Is it clear? Dear student, for this C, I think this is the questions given. Diagram होगा ये. शायद C का question तुमने लिख लिया, diagram ये. Yes. To solve this answer, look at here. Now question is this कि this is C. Is it right? From where you have to start this? Now if you think that the two are parallel, so is okay. From this terminal they two parallel, but the another terminal they are not in one point, so they two are not parallel. Parallel का ये condition, ये भी नहीं है, भी नहीं है, तो क्या करेंगे इसको? Solve कैसे करेंगे? तो तुमको दूसरे तरीके से सोचना है कि now let me think they two are what? Series between this terminal and this terminal. तो इनके बीच में एक सीरीज आ गया जिसका आंसर है क्या है तुम्हारा 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. ये भी सीरीज है. So this is also one answer and 1 plus 1 is 2. Similarly, you are getting here also. यहाँ पे भी मिल गया. तो इसी टर्मिनल में फिर से मेरे को मिल गया 1 and 1 is 2 and फिर नीचे में आ गया 2 plus 2 is what? 4. This is 4. Similarly, again I am getting here. Is it right? Here 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 1 2 3 4 box. So similarly यहाँ पे और एक बना लेते हैं यहाँ पे. This is again 2, this is 4, 2 and this is what? 4. आ गया ना? इतना तो आ गया हमारे पास. After that again, now from this terminal 4 and 2 are connected. This terminal also 2 and 4 are connected. That means they are parallel. So parallel का आंसर क्या होता है? 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4 as I told you. Is it right? And after that they all are series. So that means equivalent क्या बनाएंगे इसमें? तो हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं in the right side of this. Is it right? 1 and 1 ohm in what? Series. Is it right? And 2 ohm and 2 ohm in series. Therefore this is the answer. इसके बाद इसमें बनाना है कि they will get one answer. इसका भी एक मिलेगा, इसका भी एक आंसर मिलेगा, इसका भी एक आंसर मिलेगा. And what is the answer now? Here 2 ohm and here यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. Here 2 ohm and 4 ohm in parallel. So parallel का what is the answer of the parallel? 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4. It is 2 into 4 by 4 to 6 to 3 and 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3. Therefore, total resistance is 4 into 4 by 3, 16 by 3 is the total answer. तो आई थिंक दिस इक्विवेलेंट ऑल्सो, ये इक्विवेलेंट ऑल्सो तुमको हेल्प करेगा. जैसे कभी कभी तुम्हारा सपोज यहाँ पे एक पोटेंशियल जुड़ जाता है, राइट? दिस इज 6 वोल्ट एंड दे आस्क द क्वेश्चन फाइंड. इज इट राइट? इसके बाद तुमको क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं कि फाइंड, फाइंड व्हाट यू हैव द करंट कितना है तुम्हारे पास. सो आई थिंक दिस इक्विवेलेंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. जो करंट इसमें आएगा, द करंट इज हियर सेम. आफ्टर दैट पोटेंशियल. इज इट राइट? So you can give the answer. Is it right? Similarly. Note 3.21 question number. This is also NCERT parallel or series combination of resistance. Clear? Dear students, now this is 3.21. ये है तुम्हारा questions जो already I know this, right? How to get this total resistance? Where this dotted indicate this is infinity. ये तुम्हारा infinity का cases है. That means this type of all are infinity. Is it right? So for infinity, let me help you this. कैसे इसको find करना है? तो you know that कि suppose this is the surface of the earth and this is the star. So from the surface of this surface of the earth to the star, if the distance is infinity, then suppose तुमने एक बिल्डिंग में खड़े होके तुम फिर से डिस्टेंस मेजर करो तो तुम इन्फिनिटी ही बोलोगे. am I right? That means the height of the building को तुमने नेग्लिजिबल कर दिया है. So among these all सीरीज कैसा है तुम्हारा? ये सीरीज इन द सेंस मतलब ये कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैसा है तुम्हारा? दिस थ्री पैटर्न आर लाइक दिस. इज इट राइट? दिस इज द पैटर्न. तो इन पैटर्न में से एक पैटर्न को सिर्फ छोड़ देंगे. इफ आई लीव वन पैटर्न, देन ऑल्सो आई विल से टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इज सपोज आर एंड सपोज टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इज आर, जो अभी भी मैंने बोला. If from the surface is infinity, from the building is also infinity. So if I leave one pattern, that means also R. So let me say the total resistance is R. अब ये देखो, तो यानी कि एक पैटर्न को छोड़ देंगे तो up to this terminal, now I can draw this for you, is it right? Up to this terminal, suppose the total resistance is what? R. And the combination is also R. So this is R, right? This अभी बोला मैंने. Okay, so R and 1, so R plus 1 parallel में है, मैंने इसको कर लिया. After that, after solving this parallel, then ये बन जाएगा तुम्हारा, then this are in series. दिख रहा है तुमको? So I have done it in the series pattern. First this, ये पहले, इसके बाद ये, इसके बाद ये, तो series में आ गया. This is 2. Now I think you can write this. इतना तो तुम लिख ही सकते हो. After writing these equations, I think this is what definitely is an quadratic में चला गया तुम्हारा. So in the quadratic to solve, I think Siddha Acharya you have to apply. You can see I have applied already. It is 1 plus root 3 आ गया. Near about 2.7 मैंने बोला. Suppose, is it right? Because root 3 का 1.74 near about. So this is 2.7. So let me take 2.7 equivalently. ऐसा तुम ले सकते हो, ठीक है ना? Equivalent to 2.7. Okay. Now 2.7 and one of the internal is also there. 2.7 plus 0.5 आ गया 3.2 तुम्हारा. Is it right? 3.2 and current is equal to total potential by resistance. 3.2 मैंने decimal को हटा के and I got it is here 3.5 something. Is it right? So check your answer. I think it's very simple. अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो फिर से तुम पूछ सकते हो. कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही आसान है. फ्रॉम द सरफेस से अगर डिस्टेंस इन्फिनिटी बोलते हैं, सो सपोज टोटल इज आर, तो बिल्डिंग से भी आर ही इन्फिनिटी बोलेंगे, तो मैं यहाँ तक भी इसको आर ही बोलूँगा. दैट्स वाई अप टू हियर आई हैव रिटन आर. आफ्टर दैट वट एवर द कॉम्बिनेशन सेड, उसी प्रोसेस को आपने अप्लाई किया है. क्लियर इट इज? यस.